Step into 6 lush screened aviaries filled with tropical plants, waterfalls, and ponds. Here, colorful exotic birds and delicate butterflies fly freely, creating a magical, immersive environment perfect for nature lovers. In the Jewels of the Sky aviary, spot dazzling exotic birds alongside butterflies. The tropical rainforest aviary adds a lush waterfall and dense foliage, giving visitors the feeling of being deep in a tropical paradise. Meet the playful lorikeets up close. At the lorikeet encounter, feed these brightly colored birds right from your hand. Known for their curious nature, lorikeets use brush-tipped tongues to sip nectar, delighting guests of all ages. It's interesting to see them on this bench. They seem to have found a little water and are taking a drink. I bet they have done that before. Cross a swaying suspension bridge into the largest free-flight hummingbird aviary in the U.S. Watch these tiny speedsters hover, dart, and feed, showing off their incredible agility and jewel-like feathers. Alongside the lorikeets, you may see finches, honey creepers, and the delicate Japanese white-eye. These diverse species add movement, color, and song to the butterfly world experience.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, MrBalerdash. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment. I enjoy reading them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.